Hi, my name is Christopher. Welcome to Chewie's Reviews. Today we got another surprise package, and I don't know what it is in it, and it is really cool. And my mom wrapped it, and I hope it's really cool. Now let's get out. I think I need to just pull it open. I think it's something really cool. It's something really cool. It's the white compartment guy. And it's ages 5 to 12. And let's look at the back of the box. Even it has the 95 pieces too. Ooh, that's Lego Creator. And it shows you all the other ones we have. Let's get out. We got a bag, a piece, another bag, and the instruction booklet. We have one big bag and one other big bag and a random piece. Now stop doing. Occasionally, we've been missing a Lego piece in a Lego box, but some sets come with missing pieces. But to save the day, we got a white piece. And the orange one was missing, so we decided to use a white piece out of our Lego box. And if you have a missing piece, you could call Lego and then give them the number of the Lego piece. It's white here. It has 8 of them. And now let's go back to the building. We'll finish with the build, and you can see that the guy is up here, and he's a Lux guy. He could put his cones down behind him, so cars don't crash into him. We could turn it right here, and there's 2 sides for him to put his tools on, his pickaxe, and his wrench. And this could move up and down. Even you could take the cones off. And this could turn, and you could open up the doors. All you do is to put the guy in, you take off the top and then stick him in. And then he could drive all the way over here. Okay. I really like this toy because it was really easy to build. And it was really fun building it. And so, if you want every Lego City set, you should buy every Lego City set, even this one. And if you see an airport one, then you should get it because it's part of Lego City. Bye, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.